brother George.
It's Peppa Pig, it's Peppa Pig.
And here is Mummy Pig.
Peppa Pig, Peppa Pig.
And this is Daddy Pig.
She's Peppa Pig, she's Peppa Pig.
I am Peppa Pig. I live in a yellow house on a hill, and who could ask for more? I have a teddy and we have a fish, and George has a dinosaur. With Daddy Pig and Mummy Pig, we learn and we explore. We're happy as can be in our family.
Oh, Peppa Pig, Peppa Pig.
Oh, I'm a bit of an expert.
It's Peppa Pig, it's Peppa Pig.
I'm working on my computer.
Peppa Pig, Peppa Pig.
Dinosaur.
She's Peppa Pig, she's Peppa Pig.
I am Peppa Pig. Do you know what my favourite thing in the whole world is? It's jumping up and down in muddy puddles. Everyone loves jumping in muddy puddles. Look, it's raining, don't be slow. Put on our boots and here we go. Muddy puddles, we love them so. All together now.
Oh, my turn.
This is fun!
That was a good puddle jump.
I am Peppa Pig!
She's Peppa Pig, she's Peppa Pig.
I am Peppa Pig!
A rainbow!
It's got all our favourite colours in it. Red and orange and green and blue. It's a rainy, sunny day. The rainbow's here to play. Rainbow, rainbow, red and orange and yellow